Alrighty, we got lots of stuff going on. Got our trailer in here. I got my truck in here because I'm putting it into World of Wheels, or you folks in the States I think call it Motorama. No, I think up here it's called Motorama as well. Maybe it is Motorama, World of Wheels. Anyways, I was putting this truck into there, or that's the plan. I was going to throw it on that side to clean it up, but tried cranking it over and it just seemed like the battery was dead. Only to come pull it out of the garage and see that there was antifreeze leaking out of it, out of said exhaust pipe. So, unfortunately, I don't know why or what. I guess maybe it was a problem last year already and I didn't know it. But I guess we're tearing the motor down. Oh, that's sucky. Which is all right, I guess. We got Ryder's coming by. He wants to do some stuff, so I have a differential for him to tear apart because I want the gears out of this thing. And I need some welding done on the trailer. We got to weld up the fenders and fix some stuff there. I want to adjust the brakes, do a few things like that. I'd like to take that winch off and put this one on. I'm not sure how I'm going about to that yet. But either way, I'd like to have that on here. It's much bigger. Don't watch the cable because that's going to get switched out. And then I wanted to get that ready for World of Wheels, but now we got more work than I wanted to do on here. So I'll wait till Ryder shows up. I'll get him to tear the motor apart. Like, I checked the other side, everything seems good. So I guess, I don't know why, we got a bad head gasket on the one side. So we'll tear it apart, switch out that head gasket, or see what's going on anyways. It's just the one cylinder, so I guess when we get the head off, we'll find out what's happening. And we'll see where we go from there. Well, the other day, Ryder did well. Well, he did good. He tore all this thing apart for me. So basically what I wanted the gears in the posi. Well, it's got a weird posi in it for my Dodge. And then we just took the disc brakes off because apparently you can just bolt them on any, like an S10 diff. So we'll throw those in the shed to use for whatever one day. He did a little bit of welding on the trailer here. He's getting really good at welding. He welded up this top. He welded the top, zapped in the plate. Considering the differences in the steel, he didn't burn a hole anywhere. So he's just rocking along here. So we got that. I'm just going to finish wiring the winch up, and then I think we're good. I don't know if he'll be by again today or not. I think if he is, we'll probably, weld up these the bits that are messed up in the trailer. Like this fender's okay, needs a few tacks, but the other fenders, you can see it's kind of wobbly and wonked out. So we're gonna stretch it back into place, add some weld to some stuff, and then this thing keeps breaking. So I think we're gonna grind this. I'm gonna put a piece of angle. Maybe we'll drill a few holes in it, and then we can plug weld a piece of angle iron into there just to stiffen that thing up. I don't know if it's because I step on it or what happens there. It's got a weak link right here because it's kind of all kinked right there. But anyways, we're going to do that. We'll probably needle scale, wire brush the thing, and smash a coat of paint on it. Be kind of the plan. Try to doll up the trailer a bit. And then I think if we got time, we'll start tearing apart the truck. Alrighty, folks. We got some paint on our trailer. Paint is on. Winch is in. Brakes are adjusted. I know, this has not been the greatest of things, but I think Esther's going to be back soon, so we'll be back to our scheduled programming here. Anyways, yeah. Got our little box all done. So we had to make the box a little bit smaller just because the winch was bigger and I wanted it back. I didn't want it on the deck. Sometimes I pull something on and the bumper's here and then it ends up banging on the winch and stuff, so I'd rather it be tucked away. Anyways, we got that done. I got to put a couple more screws into this grating. I think this trailer used to be used for like a bobcat or something. So I don't really need them, but they are there, so I just left them. That one, I think we were dragging some cars up that weren't rollers, so it kind of buggered up the screen over on that side. So I'm going to anchor that one down quick, and then we can throw this thing out. It is good to go. All fixed up and nice. Good for a few more years now. Alrighty. On to the next thing. It's my truck. Keep putting that one off. A buddy came over last night. We were just chatting and then we decided to pull this thing apart. So I can't see anything actually wrong with it. The gasket, we could see a little bit of a flaw. There was something going on with it here. So I think it was just a simple gasket issue. So anyways, I got to clean this up. We're going to slam a new gasket on, clean up our intake and all that stuff, put some more glue on there, smash it back together, and then I can proceed to start cleaning this sucker up because I got to get her to whirl the wheels, or I think my setup or what I'm supposed to bring it in is, like in a couple days. So I think I got to skedaddle and get on this sucker, get her in there. All right. Anyways, I'm going to mess with that a little bit. Don't know how much filming it is. This is basically putting a motor together, so it's not that big of a deal for what I'm doing here, but I'm just going to jam through it. And then I guess I'm going to get back onto my car. I got to do a little bit of work on my truck. It's, well, nothing really with it. I just noticed my one fender bolt broke or something on the bottom there, so she's got the rattle to her. I think it's this one here. It's a little annoying. So basically I just want to pull back. We're going to re-weld the bolt on and then that's it. It's good to go. I think I got to put some squirters on there too though, because it's not so great this time of year. Alrighty. Well, let's start fixing some stuff here. Now we can get the cleaning.